We're also getting another news. A man believed to be from the Rajput community created a chaos amid Rahul Gandhi's bid to visit the violence at Saharanpur. The man was apparently upset over Rahul Gandhi visiting only the Dalit community. Both communities have been involved in clashes. The man also claimed that Rajput community was suffering due to the violence and Congress sign should have visited them as well. Take a listen.
रिश्तेदार मर गए हमारे आगे समझ बात शब्बीरपुर के अंदर जी समझ में आई बात एक तरफा सुन रहे।
तो आपकी शिकायत किससे है? प्रशासन से है?
हमारी शिकायत किसी से नहीं है। हमारी बात ये है, हमारी शिकायत इस राहुल से। जब ये यहाँ आया था या तो यहाँ पर आग लगाने काम नहीं करना चाहिए था। अगर यहाँ आया था तो तुम लोग की बात सुनता।
Let me go across to my colleague Supriya. So Supriya, Congress Vice President first breaking his silence on the clashes that happened in Saharanpur after a considerable amount of time. Today he tried to enter the area in spite of the cops' advisory. And has he managed to now miff the Rajput community as well and isolate them from the Congress party with his Dalit politics focus?
Well, as far as the Congress party stand on this entire issue is concerned, they are saying that Congress Vice President wanted to go and meet from people who were affected by these class-based violence in Saharanpur because he was not allowed to move from this very point where we are. This is 200 meters inside Uttar Pradesh. This is where Rahul Gandhi was stopped. You can see that still there is a barricade which is kept. They said so whoever came to meet him from Saharanpur, whether he was from Dalit community, whether they are from Rajput community or from any other community, he sat here and had a long chat with these people for approximately half an hour, and then after meeting him he left. They are saying that had he been allowed to visit Saharanpur main city, he would have gone to the hospital and have met people from both the castes as well as people who have suffered in this very caste-based violence. Also, the Congress party is maintaining that as far as this entire issue is concerned, they are saying that they are referring to the entire violence and people who got affected during these couple of months. They are saying that they are not talking about the caste-based thing, they are talking about as to how the law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh is deteriorating, and not only religions, now it is coming to the caste also, because of which they are seeing this violence which is not ending, and they are saying that high time the government should come out and should up the ante against such elements who are trying to target the innocent people.
All right. Thanks so much, Supriya, for joining us with all those details.